Yeah. On the Rip and Wrap. Yeah. Small one, but still a bass nonetheless, though.
That's still my size.
Deep.
That's like 12, I'd say. Dude.
Yeah, it's not that big though. Adam?
Yeah, he lost one. Mike, can I borrow one?
Walleye. We get closer. I don't want it to pop off though.
It's a walleye.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I told you, dude, the Rip and Wrap.
Dude! And you want my tape measure?
Yeah, dude, get the tape measure out. Let's see this.
Don't make it another catfish, dude. You fucking drop 3 in the water. Or 15.
15! 15 and a quarter.
I don't think we're keeping 15 anymore.
No. 15 and a quarter.
What, does he not have big enough teeth for you to so you put your hands in his mouth?
Let's see that, bud. Nice largemouth.
Dude, I was trying to get your fucking pull out of the weeds. Damn. Nice little one.
Dude, measure it. See how long it... It's a small one though. Ooh. A little fight to him. Yeah, he's a small one. It's a crappie.
What?
Yeah. Well, it's not huge, but it's decent.
Here it is.
Crappie! Let me measure it.
1 sec.
It's freaking out.
That's 10 inches?
Yeah, 10 inches. Oh, look at that. Wow. On a Rip and Wrap. Tiny one though.
Really small.
Tiny. Baby bass. It's a small one.
Is it a pike?
Yeah, it's a small pike. Baby pike.
Let me see.
It's tiny.
What? No,
Let's see it.
oh shit.
Yeah. Man, where's the mama pike? Oh. Damn, you got me, son. Ooh, it's a nice pike. Holy crap. Hey Mike, you wanna get the tape measure over here? You don't have one? Oh shit.